There's a lot of things special about Western Maryland, but mostly it's the great outdoors and how you can step outside and within 5 minutes you're right in nature. In order to have all this beautiful nature around us, we have to protect it and conserve it.
LEAF stands for Leaders of Environmental Action for the Future, and it's a program run by the Nature Conservancy where they hire high school interns to do conservation work. My favorite activity was removing the area around the larch tree at the Finzel Swamp. So the larch trees are very important. They are endangered, and Finzel Swamp is one of the few areas where they're around, especially in this area. So what we did is we went through with loppers and saws, and we kind of cleared the area around the tree, which allows more to grow.
My favorite activity was definitely the beaver rappels. We got into some waders for the first time. We fixed some of the fences, and so it prevents the beavers from getting into the flowing water. And we also fixed some pipes.
Even though our waders leaked a lot, I love the swamp, and getting in the water and cleaning out what the beavers put in and all the extra organic matter was a lot of fun.
I would definitely consider a career in conservation. It's very fulfilling work. You go to work every day and you're making an impact and you're doing something that's going to help the sustainability of the earth.
What I've learned about conservation work is that it's not the easiest, and you have to get dirty and step out of your comfort zone.
I've learned that it takes a team to help with different types of field work and conservation work.
Working with this team everyone here is like the nicest. I don't think I've ever worked with a nicer group of people. No, I haven't. I haven't worked with a nicer group of people.
Through LEAF, I've gotten chances to talk to many different people in different environmental careers. We do Skype calls, or we'll talk to some employees, and they just tell us a little bit about their job and their line of work. And it's really interesting for me to just see what kind of jobs are out there.
Joining LEAP and being an intern here with the Nature Conservancy, it has made me broaden my mindset, and I might want to join a career in Nature Conservancy.
I would totally work for the Nature Conservancy because I've been enjoying the work that we've been doing this past week with LEAF.
I loved working with the team for the past couple weeks. This is a great team, and we all care about the same thing, and that's to conserve this great environment.